Aha ki tēnei whenua, ko te katoa o e matapaitia nei e ngā mātanga he omi kōna. Kei te piki haere tonu te tokomaha o tātou te Māori e kanoa raitia ana, ara ko tahi mano pūwerotanga e toi ana. Kia eke tātou ki te iwa te kau ōrau o ngai tātou kua whai i te pūwerotanga tuatahi o te kanoa rai. Waru te kau mārima ōrau tonu kua whai i ngā pūwerotanga erua i tēnei wā. Nō reire, te iwi e whai ake nei ko ngā tai pito kōrero hā kinekina o te wā.
Etu whānau, the movement of positive change against violence. It's time to take responsibility and action in our communities to support whānau to thrive. Go to etuvānau.org or like us on Facebook. Etu whānau, te manakaha o te whānau.
Ko whakaingoatia te kai hautū i te kapa hou o te whutupōro ngai o, ara te kai hautū i te kapa Moana Pasifika. Ko ia ko te pou tuki o mua o te kapa warabi a se kope kepu i heke ngā roimata i te wā i ko pou ai hei kai hautū i tēnei kapa hou. Ke maumahara hoki tātou i rungi i te rewirangi o wātea i tērā wiki. I aki hia tātou e hotu roa kē kia tautoko tātou i tēnei kapa. Hoi anō rā koe ranga hā kinekina, kia ora.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wāta, mā te reo, te whakamārama.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
99.6 Whangarei, the rhythm of the rohe. Ngāti Hine FM.
Are you having a fundraiser, meeting or community event? Let us know. Email onair@ngatihinefm.co.nz or message us on Facebook. Proudly supporting your community, Ngāti Hine FM.
Under the COVID-19 traffic light system, some workplaces and roles will require vaccination. To help employers and employees work together to make this happen, there's also been some updates to employment law. For example, employers should provide employees with reasonable time off so they can get vaccinated to help keep everyone safe. For more information and other updates on vaccination and the workplace, please visit employment.govt.nz. That's employment.govt.nz.
Parents and caregivers can now get their 5 to 11-year-olds immunised against COVID-19. Find out more at bookmyvaccine.nz or call the COVID Vaccination Healthline on 0800 28 29 26.
Ngāti Hine FM. Here atu ana I te awa o Hōteo.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi. Morena te iwi, it's Chevy, Kimberly and Tyson right here till 9 a.m. this morning.
Kia ora, morena. If you're listening online, aroha mai, our online service just, cacked on us.
Cacarited on us.
Just said, hey, you're listening, you're adhering to all the rules, but we're going to shut it down anyway.
Yeah.
So we're back up at we say can tune in online as well.
Oh,
yes. That's right, partner. You're back with with Chevy, Kimberly, and Tyson.
Our alter egos.
Yes, those are our alter egos. Now, earlier we were talking about names and just kids' names, funny names that we've heard in the past. For example, there's a set of twins that Marcia knows named Gin and Tonic.
That's right.
But also we talked about names that our parents had in mind for us and what different lives we may have led.
I know,
if those were our names. Yeah. If you were Tyson.
I'll be like smashing you.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Old
Nice.
Tyson.
Oh,
Good old
Tyson.
Tyson.
That's that Tyson bird. Tyson.
Tyson Bird. That actually
Sounds quite
right.
good, doesn't
It
Yeah,
sounds
yeah.
like a kind of like a stage name or something.
Yeah,
Tyson
it
Bird.
does. Well, people do that to me now. They're like, "Oh, Luke Bird, what's your real name?" And I'm like, "That's my real name."
What's your real name?
They're like, "Is that a stage name?" I'm like, "No."
But if your name was Tyson and you needed a stage name, you could be In Tyson.
You're clever. That's good.
Yeah,
In Tyson.
Tyson Bird.
Enticing the birds. That's good. Yes,
reverting. That's what that is.
That is reverting. The weather outside is looking quite chilled factor today. It's currently 21.4 degrees. It's a high of 27 degrees here in Te Whangarei.
Kohi kohi ngā kūtai.
Good day.
That's 85% humidity, which means it's what? It is very
Moist.
Partly cloudy, possible shower or two, northeasterly, sun sets at 8:31 p.m.
Yes,
tonight.
but just looking at the actual weather outside, because It's not a hang your washing out day.
No, it's-
Even though it
it's
is
a bit
hot out
meh.
there and it would dry it, but it could just turn into like torrential rain any minute.
It's meh at the moment.
And
Yeah,
then it'll be,
yeah.
I'm summer again.
Yeah, no, hard out.
Hot.
So do not hang your washing out. Ki ngā tai o whangarei, mehe mea he hea nā koutou te haere ruku kai moana. Low tide will be later on this afternoon at 4:30, but your next tide is high tide at 10:30. That's koera te tipi o ngā tipi,
Ngā tipi.
10:30.
Tipi o ngā tipi. And then speaking of our tides, and then we got to think about who controls the tides. Well,
Your mates.
my mate, Hina. So I better push the button. Boom. Sexy maramataka. Nau hoki mai koutou. Ki tō koutou. Tino wahanga ki ane ko sexy maramataka. Ina nahi rā I pātai atu ki ahina. Tēnā koe te tuahine. He hato āhua I te neipo. Hei ko tāna. Ko oho ata te ingoa o tēnei āhuarango o te marama. Oho ata. He rā pai ki te ruku tuna, te ruku kaura, me te whakatō kūmara, me ngā kākano hoki. O reira, ko oho ata tēnei rā. Oho ata. Tōna pai te hihiko I tēnei rā.
Pai te rei goa hoki.
Yeah,
Oho ata.
Oh, ata.
Oho ata. That could
Get
be
up.
like, welcome to our breakfast show with Kimberly, Tyson, and Chevy. You're here with the breakfast crew. Oho ata.
I
Oho
like that.
ata.
Yeah.
I like it. It's
Oho
good.
ata. That could be a muesli bar. Have
Actual,
our bar. Oho
there's-
ata. Get you up in the
Yes.
morning.
Let's create a
Oho ata.
Or instead of a muesli bar, it's a protein bar. I'll get
Yeah.
further.
And the main ingredient is kawakawa.
Oh.
yes.
But don't have it like that chocolate that he's nearly sped up on.
Oh, no.
What was that?
No,
Nah,
she
it
might
was
be
pingao.
listening. She
It
might
was-
be listening.
That was-
Kumaraho.
No, it was pingao.
Oh, pingao.
Seaweed. Pingao.
It was yuck.
Pingao.
Yuck.
We thank you for the freebie, but it was yuck.
Nah, that was
Alrighty, Terry, kia ora no tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Very shortly, we're going to check out Iti Te Kupu. Go tonu mai. All right.
Whoa. He just came straight in there. In the circle.
Onliners, that's our cue to hop off. Sorry. Na 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 na.
I can see her Moival. And
Moival.
Tanya Apiata. Oh my gosh, this is our jam on the school bus. 1996.
Oh, get it.
Oh.
Apiata.
You know when you things remind you of things and you haven't heard of those people for years? Well, that's this right now is happening. I'm having like a little high moment.
Get it.
Moival, Tanya Apiata, who I had a major crush on. Oh, she's probably listening. Na 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 na. Joan and Felinga.
Falinga.
Felinga! Oh my god. Oh, Kylie Bryers is in Jim Evans' cousins.
Get it.
Went to primary school with them. Joan Felinga. I think Joan's a lesbian now. You and me, yeah. Na, 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 na.
P87B7B.
Anyone watching? Comment!
Yes.
Hey, welcome VIBs to the VIB. A very important backstage pass. You get all the ins and outs. People at home get the music, but you, you get it all. You get raw personal material right now. Yep, we're looking really riveting.
Are we?
Phoenix is having a little cat nap because he's a new dad again. Marcia is looking interested.
Ah, yes. I'm just saying.
And no one comment. Someone comment to me. Ask me a question. Ask a question on the comments line. Could be anything. My shoe size is 12 to 13. My t-shirt size has now gone up a size. Pisses you off. Just pisses you off. Is Jen staying in Kaiō again?
I don't think they stay in there. They just do day trips.
Oh, I thought she stayed last time. Oh, heck. No, thanks.
Ka hore.
Day tripping.
Ka hore.
How's my pie?
Pie.
She good?
Yes, she cooked dinner last night.
I saw that. Looked yummy.
Oh, it's quite tasty. What am I doing? This.
5 seconds. 5. 1. Iwa te kaumā, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. Welcome to the show, everybody. E ara e mara, right up until 9 a.m. this morning. If you're just joining us, welcome. Welcome. Hey, welcome.
Hey, welcome. You know what I just got recently? This is way just
got recently, like, I taka te kapa.
No. Like I just bought.
Oh,
like
yes.
I just invested in myself.
Okay.
I bought an electric toothbrush.
Oh, they're so good.
Bro.
Yeah, no my
Kitty Club.
Yeah.
I've only been in the club since just before Christmas. My secretary, which was January, that happened to be. She got an electric toothbrush.
They're so good.
I don't know what her message was, but
when you use them, you've realised, why didn't I have this before?
Exactly.
So
Like I
good.
feel like my teeth are like a shade.
same.
I wasn't going to say anything, but they're looking a lot better.
Yeah.
Let's not just shave everybody our teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah, look. Yeah. Nah, it's a game changer,
Yeah,
eh?
actual.
Also, I did a rookie mistake, like, because as a learner, with the toothpaste on outside of my mouth,
exactly.
and it's like, everywhere.
I did exactly the same thing, and I had to ask Jen, "How do you do this without it going everywhere?" She's like, "You put it in your mouth."
mouth.
first." I was like, "Oh, yeah, well,
And you just just do its thing. It's so
I don't
good.
ask.
it's like a buffer. Like it's just buffer.
Yeah.
And you can just buff.
And you can just-
And it's
and get right at the back, and you know that it's getting in there.
yes, exactly. That's how I've been from. I'm like brushing my teeth like this is great.
Oh yeah, shout out to all the
You'll
electric
notice,
toothbrushes.
you'll notice so much change.
Yeah, no,
I
have.
did. I
I
was like,
know.
wow.
I was
this
just
is
like
good.
new
And it's-
opportunities.
Yeah, like, man, I did more places. But I've never had a filling before.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, yeah,
So I'm
I
a big
have.
sweet tooth.
I have. Now I've got caps on mine now.
But look,
Oh, yeah.
still got straight teeth.
Yeah.
Yes, I had braces for 5 years.
Oh, true.
That was my high
Yes,
school.
you did. You and
From-
Ortony.
Yeah, from year, what's it
Oh,
called now?
poor
Year
Tyson.
8 until
Yeah.
year 13.
Tyson wouldn't have had
True.
braces.
Tyson wouldn't have braces.
Tyson would have, he wouldn't have had braces. He would have had the girls.
Or Tyson wouldn't have had braces but needed braces now.
No, he would have. Yeah.
Tyson's a bit,
No.
maybe Tyson's got one tooth missing
Yeah.
now.
He peaked too soon in high school.
Yes.
And now he's got no teeth.
A whole lot of shout outs going out to the crew, the van. Oh, they're probably not listening anymore because we shouted out too late. Going up to Kyle, Tokerau Solutions,
That's
the
right.
rangatai that are on the van. Everybody that's on the van, they're all listening.
That's right. Thank
They're
you.
our fans. Shout outs.
Oh, yes.
And also to my Nana Hopper and Auntie Michelle, who's also listening right
You're
now from
watching.
Sydney.
Yes, she watches us every morning from
Religiously.
Sydney, Australia.
Yes, her favourite
I never
early
remember-
morning watch.
I love that.
Yes.
She
And
thinks
then also
it's a breakfast show.
Yes.
shout out to our one of our good friends, Shay, whose birthday was yesterday.
Oh, bless.
Had his birthday
Sad. Didn't
yesterday.
say his birthday.
Huh?
Sad. Didn't mention it
Oh,
yesterday.
Must be a
sad.
really good friend of yours then.
Yeah. I saw it in the afternoon. But it was his birthday, so shout out to you, Shay, and he's, if you don't know, guys, he sings the song Iconic. And that's
Oh,
a
yeah.
jam. Give us a demo, Mas.
Iconic. What's the weku? Is that the
Yeah.
same one?
Oh, I don't know, but
Weku ana te fiore hara wene people always say kaya te kiore.
I love that.
Yeah,
Well done.
Maya Tafaki.
Iria ngā te moto me te hane.
Yeah, so if you want to go check out his music, you can do that on Whai Kōrero Raps on Spotify. But yeah, shout out to Shay. Happy birthday, Harira Whanu.
Kia ora.
Harira Whanu.
Okay, very shortly, it's Iti Te Kupu. It's all about our kupu whakarite me tō mātou. Rerenga kōrero mo te rangi nei.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā Bye.
Coming to you.
It's 8:19, everybody.
No reira whānau ko hoki tātou ki te mito o te rohe. We have always on time from Ja Rule and
It's me.
Ashanti.
Hey.
Oh,
Okay, keep telling
Made
yourself.
it. Ngāti hine.
Your mate's outside. Go look. Oh no, you're too slow.
Who was it though?
Your friend.
Who?
Your favourite friend.
Oh, the band. I saw who these sounds like. I've got to go.
She's also listening online. I don't know.
Let's give her a name.
Linda.
Oh, thinking something like Doodle.
Oh.
Linda. Hey, welcome everybody to the VIBs. Auntie Michelle, the courier has been sent. I hope you're listening.
Yes. Nana Hopper also wanted to know if we get paid for doing this, and I said,
Yeah,
Luke gets all the money, Nana. He gets it all. Tell him to share.
We get the big bucks, girl. But thank you, Nana Hopper. Yes, we don't do nothing for free these days.
Yeah. Well, as you can see, I'm not wearing gold, so not that big bucks.
You're wearing lower bucks.
She's a gold girl.
She is. She's beautiful. I think
She
back in
is
the day
beauty,
she would have
she
been like
is queen. She used to drive trucks, apparently.
Chat.
Is that true? Is that true, Nana? Or are you just pulling our leg? Because she just randomly said that on the car drive.
Beautiful. Oh, the other day, I don't know if you're listening now, Nana Hopper, but a memory came up on my Facebook, and I think actually Michelle, was she?
And Pie. I think it was just Shaquille.
And we went to buy him. We had a private room at a hotel. That was so nice. It was like regal or all there. It was a great day. So when you come home and doing it again, private room. We're private people. And then we'll get our own boat. Because we're own boat people. We'll get a yacht. Because we can afford it.
Because of yacht people.
And then we'll put a flag on the flagpole. Because we have a flag. Morena team from Sarah K. Sarah, you're late, girl. You're getting later and later. What's happening? Do you want to talk about it? What's happening? Why are you later every day? Hard workload? You got children? Go back to school. You missed the big leading a corridor today. It was quite good. Quite the go.
It's a kapoo.
Yes.
It's a kapoo.
Yeah. Call it.
Yeah, Sarah Kay says she's a bit crazy these past couple of weeks, Luca.
Yeah, sorry, team. A bit crazy these past couple of weeks. That's okay. We get it. You hate us. Oh, welcome to the show, Auntie.
What's your name? Sorry, I'm not looking. Oh, Kura.
Is also still here?
Kahore, he went back on Saturday.
Always on time. 40 seconds. Kim Shave and Tie. Thank you. With Kimberly, Shivy, and Ty. Kimmy. Hey, Kimmy. Kimmy here. Kimberly would have been you remaining living in Australia.
Eh?
You would have been still living in Australia if you're
Kimmy's definitely still in Australia.
And you'd be not kapahaka.
Kimmy. Yeah. Kimmy knows she's Maori, but nah, it's not for me. Not in the kapahaka.
Nah. You reckon you'll be like, what's your name? Dog. Hey, dog.
Oh.
Sorry.
What's it? Tristan and Mary. Yeah. Tristan, Mary, and Kimmy.
Yeah, Kimmy.
The rest of the segment, 5 seconds.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi morena e tiwi. It is Luke Mas Tara, Ko, Kim, Shiv, and Tai.
It's Kimmy.
Kimmy?
Kimmy, that's
Yeah.
Hey, Kimmy, can you go get me some shrimp? Hey, how you going, Shivy?
Hey, Tyson or Tyrone?
It's Tyson?
Oh, it's Tyson.
It's Tyson, dude.
Tyson, are you moving over here with me in Sydney, yeah?
Yeah, no, I've got to go and go get my dog. I don't know.
And I'm not talking about my pet.
you know, that sounds pretty good, eh?
Yes,
Yeah, this is
Shivy.
me, Chevy. I was working down at the scaff yard, and
Oh, you so sound like a Shivy.
Yeah. Oh, and you're channeling what's that character?
Yeah.
The rock guy.
yeah,
Oh, hey.
Cork. Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
Cork.
my name's Chevy, and I just work down at the scaffolding, Maxway scaffolding, and I bench press 250 kilos, but talk like this.
I already like Chevy. Chevy's a goer.
yeah, that's Chevy. That's me.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me. Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks,
Thanks,
Wyatt.
thanks,
Thanks,
sis.
Wyatt.
Thank you, sis.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you. Oh, brother.
Thank you, my brother.
Oh,
Oh, Chevy, you're so polite. And he's like, oh, you're
Yeah.
Good
Oh,
on
good. Oh, no. You're. They always do that with their hands, eh?
yeah.
Those-
We like them.
yeah.
We like them peoples. We shall call you all Chevy.
Chevy.
Right, it's here we ko tai ki tēnei wāhanga Māori ake nei.
Macau.
E kia nei ko? It's i te kupu. Yeah.
Got it. Go back. Got it.
It's i te kupu.
Nui
He
te
wāhanga. Ai, nui te kōrero. Nui te rerenga kōrero.
Te renga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
Right. Alright, tō tātou kupu whakarite mo te rānei o Māori metaphor or simile is he unuhanga taniwha.
Oh, I like the sound of this one.
Oh,
He,
yeah, no, I think I've heard that one, eh?
Yes.
he unu ini. What is it?
You're in a neat.
He uni.
Unu.
He unu. what
Kia
is it?
te rito. Nā, he unuhanga
He
Taniwha.
Taniwha.
Unuhanga taniwha.
He unuhanga.
taniwha.
Unuhanga.
Unuhanga te kupu kotahi.
Unuhanga.
Is hanga to build?
Ai.
Mm-hmm.
What's unu? What's the metaphor there?
Unu is drink. Build your drink. Nah.
Build your drink.
Nah, unu is.
Taniwha.
Unu. He unu.
Unuhia.
Unuhanga taniwha.
Unuhanga.
Ai.
Build something monster.
Yes, you got it. No, well, actually, like a real
I'm trying
simple way of saying it. Build the monster.
Oh, so it's like become the fierceness of yourself.
Oh.
Like be the greater, bigger.
Or is it like when you
build the
unleash the beast?
Oh, you hit it on the. I'm just gonna give it to you. Ding, ding, ding.
Ah.
Yeah.
Unleashing
the beastie.
Yes, unleashing
I told you
the
I've heard this
beast
one
or the
before.
monster.
I do that every time I leave the show.
Aye. Me ko Hulk korua, me ko Hulk if you wear Hulk. Ana.
If
Yes. If.
Unuhanga te taniwha.
Aye,
Unuhanga
unuhanga Hulk.
Taniwha, I like that.
He unuhanga taniwha. Unleashing the monster. He kupu whakarite, he whakatūpatotanga tēnei mo tētahi āhuatanga ki te pōwhenitia, ki te toitoia, ki te ākaputa tētahi āhuatanga wehi. Okay, so it's about warning about circumstances that a person should not incite or instigate. Otherwise, something dreadful will appear.
Oh.
Tahi āhuatanga wehi.
Yeah.
Kia ora.
You annoy me, Tyson's coming out.
Yeah, e
Yes.
mōhio ana ahau tētahi tauira, e kore rātu ki tōku tama. Kau e hoha tō tuakana kei unuhanga te taniwha.
Aye. Yes. Or like, ask me properly. Kei unuhanga tēnei taniwha right here.
I've seen your taniwha. Yeah, she's fierce.
Unuhanga te taniwha. That's a
Unuhanga
good
te
one.
taniwha. I
So
like
if you
that.
draw out a monster from its resting place and may never return back to its den, you would be in trouble. Kia ora. Be careful, you are unleashing a monster. Kia tūpato he unuhanga taniwha tēnā.
Ooh.
Or, you know, yes, like our nephews, Kiwa and Co.
Oh, they unleash
Hey,
it.
they like to,
Poke the taniwha.
yes, poke the taniwha. So you can say, kia tūpato e kau,
Yeah.
he unuhanga taniwha tēnā.
Yes,
No, you won't.
yes.
And then they turn around and are both crying, get out of the pool.
Yeah, that's my big boys too.
Yes.
Yes, unuhanga taniwha. Pai te rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
Oh, I just got a text. A patuhi.
Patuhi kōrero tēnā